CMG stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is Chipotle Mexican Grill stock a buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space with 43,000 videos. I've documented them all, seen what's working, what's not, and especially with CMG, bro, this is just so sick. Not that I'm gonna randomly buy, but this is like one of those perfect kind of setups as long as there's a double break now, and I'm gonna break it down in a second. Beforehand here I called it out to the dot. Here it is. Just so you don't think that I'm just yapping about it, I do have the proof. This is perfect, like perfect stuff. Then it delivered. And then how would this look like? Well, let's go to the 1 hour chart. That double break that I'm always yapping about would only matter if there's a break above $53. And if I do not see that happening, then I'm not going to be buying. Right? Very freaking simple. So that's how this is looking like. All I'm practically doing in the meantime is waiting for rules. And if my rules are not met, then I am not buying. Like, doesn't get any simpler than that. So stay tuned. I have a lot of CMG receipts. Let's check for results. That's sick. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.